If you're a fan of esports, you already know T1. They are one of the most iconic and successful esports organizations in the world. And today we are taking a look at two ASUS T1 Special Edition graphics cards. Now this is a very special collaboration between two heavyweights in the scene, right? You've got the championship winning spirit of T1 and the premium gaming hardware of ASUS. And literally we're talking about multiple championship winning titles for T1 and a global fan base around the entire world. T1 is about more than just winning. It's about dedication and relentless drive to be the best. And you know, speaking of dedication, look at this beautiful packaging. This is really something special. We've got that signature T1 logo behind the artwork of the team. So let's take a look and open this thing up. The first thing we see are some exclusive T1 collectibles, including this sticker pack and this great looking magnet as well. But of course, we are here for the card underneath. There it is. This is the star of the show, and you can clearly see why. Every detail has been designed for that signature T1 aesthetic, right? You've got this shroud, which looks amazing in red and white, and the back plate has its own exclusive artwork with the signature of Faker and the other members of the team. But it's more than just a paint job, too. On the side, this area lights up red when it's installed in your system, which only adds to that distinctive T1 look. This card is really going to stand out in a build when you slot it into your motherboard. But of course, the T1 experience doesn't just stop with the hardware. ASUS has also created an exclusive skin for GPU Tweak 3, so that identity is integrated throughout the entire system, both hardware and software. Now, of course, this collaboration design is exciting, but it's what's underneath that counts just as much. Great hardware starts with great engineering, always. And ASUS graphics cards are trusted by gamers around the world for their stability, their reliability, and of course, that performance. So you can see this beautiful heatsink underneath, part of ASUS's advanced cooling solution with this card, combined with their premium power delivery, extensive testing and validation. These cards are designed to deliver consistent performance under the demanding workloads of something like an esports match. Now there's also an RTX 5070 version as well, and it has its own shroud design. It's a little bit more of a black and a silver colorway, and on the back you've got a little bit different artwork, a color version of that artwork that we saw on the box. Now, if you would like to win one of these cards or a number of other prizes we are giving away, you're going to want to check out the We Are T1 campaign, where you can share your passion, your creativity, and your stories about what T1 means to you. Selected participants will not only have a chance to win one of these cards, but will have a chance to attend an exclusive T1 fan event in Korea, where they can connect with fellow fans from around the world. Because T1 is more than just a team. It's a mindset, it's a community, it's about you. So check that out in the link below.